Unveiling the Stars, Understanding Asterism. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, asterism. You might have heard this word here and there, but what does it actually mean? Stay with us as we explore this term together, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what asterism is and how you can use it. Asterism is a term primarily used in the field of astronomy. It refers to a recognizable pattern of stars in the night sky that is not an official constellation. These patterns can be smaller than constellations or can be formed by stars from different constellations. For example, the Big Dipper is an asterism that is part of Ursa Major, a larger constellation. People around the world recognize this pattern of 7 bright stars, even if they aren't familiar with the entire constellation of Ursa Major. The word asterism comes from the Greek word asterismos, which means a marking with stars. It reflects how ancient cultures would connect the dots between stars to create images in the night sky, forming patterns that were often linked to mythology, agriculture, and navigation. Now that we understand what an asterism is and where the word comes from, let's look at how we can use it in a sentence. While stargazing last night, I identified several asterisms, but the Big Dipper was the easiest to spot. The teacher explained that while all constellations are made of stars, not all patterns of stars are considered constellations. Some are asterisms. By using asterism in sentences, you can show off your knowledge of both astronomy and the English language. And that's a wrap on asterism. We hope this video has illuminated this starry term for you and added a new word to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep looking up, and you might just spot an asterism tonight. Until next time, happy learning!